Good morning. I am back with another travel vlog. This time I'm headed to Cancun, Mexico. So once I get into the transportation service from the Cancun airport, I'll check back in with you guys. All right, talk to you later. Bye. What's up, everybody? So we are celebrating my niece's birthday this trip in Cancun. I am just going to give you guys a little insight, show you the room tour and some of the things that are available at this Royalton Chic hotel. Take a look. If you are, would you be by my side? I'm a changed man with a new plan, making moves, making big moves. It's my destiny. I can tell you that I love you. We could act like this is new. All day with no clue what time it is in the big world. Closet, safe. Shoes. That's it, robes. Fancy. Here's the bathroom area. Double vanity. Dual mirrors. There's the toilet, el baño, shower, and watch your step, shower, rainfall, pretty nice size shower here. Have a standard shampoo, conditioner, body wash, handles. Face body bar, ceiling kit, vanity kit, shoe mitt, another shoe mitt, shaving kit, shower cap, vanity kit, comb, body lotion, water, double vanity again, there's a television here, which is like separate. So this is the like living space, living room, separate seating area. So that's the divider from the bathroom, and this is separate from the bedroom area. You can close this. Hold on. Ooh. So, hold on. Oh, if you want like a whole little vibe right there, you know. So that's good if you're like traveling with others in the same room. If somebody's over here watching TV, or if you invite people over, you know, it's a whole, got your little picture right there. So they gave us this fruit welcome bottle of champagne and also a bottle of red wine. All of this is included Diamond Club. Okay? Here at the Royalton Chic. Opening this up, let's take you to the bedroom area, and it's the bedroom, another television. So she was just showing me how to work like room service from the TV, storage area hair there. Little bench.
Baby, yeah, I only want you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's go. I got a whole lot of money. Bitches got me funny. They can't even talk right. They don't ever dance with niggas. They just only dance with bitches. Where you find them walls, so they don't.
Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.